Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ramakant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learning English Together. In today's video, I will share something very real with you. Yes, guys, it is called How I Am Improving My English. I know very well many of you are trying very hard just like me. You want to speak English fluently, confidently, and without fear. So in today's video, I will tell you what I do every single day to get better in this language. Maybe it can help you too. So let's get started without any delay. First of all, I speak. Yes guys, I speak as much as possible. I don't wait for the perfect moment. I don't wait for someone to correct me. I just speak. Sometimes I talk to myself, sometimes I speak in front of the mirror, sometimes I talk in front of the camera, just like this video. And whenever I talk to myself in front of the mirror, I record myself. And whenever I make some mistakes, I listen to my recording and try to improve them. That's how I am improving my English. Because remember, you don't learn to speak English by watching just videos. You learn to speak English by speaking. Okay, now the second thing. Second thing is that I have created a small English environment around me. Now the question is how to create an English environment. I have already made a video regarding that topic. If you haven't watched that topic yet, then I will give the link in the description box of that topic. You can go and check it out. Now coming back to the second thing. I listen to English content, podcast, motivational speeches, interviews, and anything that makes me feel excited. Even when I am walking, cooking, or working, I keep listening to English. Even I have changed my phone language to English. My YouTube recommendations are all in English, even my thoughts. I try to think in English too. It's not easy, but it works. This small English environment trains my brain gradually to get better in English every single day. Now, the third thing, I focus on vocabulary and sentence formation. I don't learn 10 big words in one day. I just pick 2 to 3 useful words in a day, then I try to understand them. After that, I use them in my own sentence. I also play with sentence structure. Like if I say, I went to the market, I try to say the same sentence in different ways. Like, I had gone to the market, or I will be going to the market tomorrow. It helps me understand grammar naturally without getting bored. Now, another important thing is that I am not afraid of making mistakes because I know very well if I make mistake then only I will get to learn. The more I make mistakes, the more I get an opportunity to learn something new, to do something better. In fact, mistakes are my best teacher. Earlier, I used to feel shy. I used to think if I make a mistake, what people will think about me. If I speak wrong, what will people think about me? But now I don't care because the truth is that if I stop speaking, then I will not be able to improve my English. So whenever I make some mistakes, I smile and learn from it. Now the final step. The final thing is consistency. Yes, guys, consistency is the key to success. If you are practicing your English with consistency, then definitely you will see a great improvement in yourself. And I don't do everything perfectly. Even I miss some days. I get tired too. But I come back. I show up the next day even if I speak for 5 minutes. Even if I learn only one sentence, I do it. Because I know very well small steps every day will lead to a big results. So, if you are watching this video and wondering how can I speak English fluently, then my answer is start now. Start to speak every single day. Listen to English as much as possible and learn slowly. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel if you have come to my channel for the first time. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and also let me know in the comments how do you practice your English. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day.